Hello everyone, today's short vlog is on Nama Veg Hotel. First, let us check their menu. The rates are quite reasonable. Wow, almost all the options are available. Indian, Chinese. Seeing the menu, it's already tempting. And lastly, our today's choice, that is thali. Today we are going to take North Indian Deluxe Thali and Chinese combo. Here comes the first part of our North Indian Deluxe Thali, the tomato soup. Wow, it's very thick and creamy. This is the Chinese combo, which has veg fried rice and Manchurian semi-gravy. And here comes our North Indian Deluxe Thali, which has dal fry, spicy mixed veg sabji, potato and peas ki sabji, roti, white rice, papad, some salad, raita, pickle, veg Manchurian, jeera rice and gulab jamun. This was a short vlog. I hope you liked it. Thank you.